Aloha and welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Today we're going to try to take some of the stress out of doing your taxes. To help us learn some more about how to lower your tax bill, we have Sylvester from Bank of Hawaii. Hi, Stephen.
Hey, Steve. Great to be here today.
So no one likes paying the tax, man. What are some of the basics every taxpayer should know to lower their tax bill?
Well, the key to paying lower taxes really is through tax deductions.
All right, so for all the beginners out there, exactly what is a tax deduction?
Well, a tax deduction is something that lowers the amount of money you have to pay to taxes.
But how?
So this works by lowering the amount of income that can be taxed. So real basic example, let's say your taxable income is $100, and let's say you're eligible for a tax deduction of $10. What this means is instead of paying taxes on $100 worth of income, you'd only have to pay on $90.
Basically, tax deductions lower the amount of taxes that you pay to Uncle Sam.
Generally, yes, Steve.
All right, so how can someone claim their tax deduction?
So there's two ways to choose from, and that's going to depend on your situation. When filing your income taxes, there is the standard deduction or the itemized deduction.
Let's start with the standard deduction.
Perfect. The standard deduction is pretty straightforward. It is a flat dollar, no questions asked reduction in your taxable income. The amount you qualify for depends on whether you're single, married filing jointly or separately, or if you're the head of household.
How much are we talking about?
Well, for 2020, the standard deduction is $12,400 for those single filers, and $24,800 for married couples filing jointly.
Yeah, that can make a difference. So what is the other kind of deduction?
Well, the other kind are called itemized deductions, and instead of a flat dollar amount with no questions asked, when you itemize, you can take deductions for various eligible expenses, and this could be things like interest on mortgages, state income taxes, real property taxes, even charitable contributions or medical deductions. You also want to be mindful for child care tax credits, interest on student loans, and contributions to a 401k. All these may help reduce your overall tax liability.
How do you decide which deduction to take?
Well, it's going to depend on your specific situation, but your accountant or tax advisor are really in the best position to help you make that determination.
It seems like a lot to digest, though, if you're beginning, right?
You know, it can be. For itemized deductions, there are limits in place and also more documents you have to prepare. You need to have and retain accurate records and receipts of all the items you're planning on deducting.
Yeah, but whether you're going through standardized or itemized deductions, everyone should learn more to see what they can do to get the most out of their taxes, right?
Exactly. And most importantly, make sure you know the date for tax day.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It comes up real quick. All right, thanks again for coming in today, Stephen, and for helping us pay taxes with a little less pressure.
My pleasure, Steve.
All right, thank you, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.